What up, fellers? Went to my local hobby shop today. Got a few things. One pack of Totally Certified, which I opened at the shop. And I got Alfred Morris, Calvin Johnson Jr. Thanksgiving, Brady Thanksgiving, a red parallel Cam Newton, and Stitches in Time Steve Johnson. And that one is numbered to $2.99. That's it. Nothing really big there. But I did get a box of Strata, so let's just kick into the Strata and have fun with it. See where it goes. I think 3 hits per box. Yeah. So nice, nice, and nice. Okay. Let's just get right to it. No reason to jibber jabber, right? Denard Robinson, Ezekiel Ansah, Mingo, Bell, Vernon Davis, and Antonio Gates. Let's see something real quick here. Yeah, just like last year, the retails are way thin, and the hobbies are a bit thicker, so cool could do. Got Andre Johnson, Tom Brady, Santonio Holmes, an orange, Larry Fitzgerald, Jay Cutler, Roddy White. This product does have the first Blackman, Laurinaitis, Baldwin, you know what's his name in the Colts uniform, Russell Wilson, Roethlisberger, oh my god, Trent Richardson, yes. This does have one of the first Trent Richardson in Colts uniform. That's kind of cool. Got RG3, Flacco, Luke, Peyton, Alex, and was that Eli? Yeah, Eli. Robert Woods, Geno Smith, EJ Manuel. That's a nice pack right there. And Jordan Reed, nice. CJ Spiller, Matt Forte. Matt 40. Oh, here's my clear cut. I've got Colin Kaepernick, James Laurinaitis, and clear cut is Monty Ball. That's a beauty. That is a beautiful card. Not numbered, but it is a nice card, Monty Ball. Let's go ahead and, I don't know if my bags are going to work on this one. Yeah, they will. Sorry, I got to bag it up real quick here. There you go, get in there. Doopy-doopy-doo. I guess I'll have to bag it later. Thought I'd be able to just slide it in here like I do with my other one. These are just a wee bit thicker than last year, I guess, but set that right there. Monty Ball, that's a nice clear cut there, guys. Wallace, McFadden, Lynch. I got an orange Tony Romizo, Gronk, LaShawn McCoy, Breeze, Tannehill, Alden Smith, DeAndre Hopkins, orange, Sproles, and Palomalu. Alright, something's in here. What is that? Die cut, okay. Matt Barkley, Milner, Eddie Lacy, and then Alec Ogletree die cut. Not bad, not bad. Rivers, Doug Martin. Got 2 more hits coming. These are looking really. See how that is bent right here? Oh, another die cut. This one is Derek Rogers in a Colts uni. That's a beauty. Woohoo! PC. Taylor, Marcus Wheaton, Foster, Ponder. I saw dude opening up boxes, Cards Infinity Day, and he busted open a box of that, and Morris, Freeman, and he pulled that one. I'm like, oh, I so want that. Randall Cobb. Dude, I still got 2 more hits coming. Yeah, he pulled that. I'm like, I want that card. And then I pulled it, so that's awesome. Bradford, Allen, Cecil Shorts, Knicks, Vic. 2 hits, 6 packs. Come on, people. Let's do this. Oh, there's one right there. Okay, so we got Jason Witten, AJ Green, Terrence Williams, Franklin Jarvis Jones, and Alec Ogletree. Nice Rams card there. Monty Ball didn't want it. Alec Ogletree will take it. This one is a not numbered auto. Oh, this is a jersey auto of some sort. Patrick Willis, Sherman, King, Josh Boyce, and boom, Cordell Patterson, numbered to 213, jersey. Oh, I almost threw the cards in the trash. That would have been bad. What? Put Mr. Cordell. There you go. This is one clear-cut auto, and one relic. Okay. Unless there's a bonus in here, we'll see, guys. Murray, Smith, Peterson, Tillman, Orange, Steve Smith, Julio Jones, base veteran, Topaz parallel, or 1 and 4. Not seeing a Topaz. I missed a Topaz. I gotta go back through and look at all the cards again, or what? Hayden, Kobe Hamilton, Marquise Goodwin, Ellington, Bush, and Graham. They got a lot. I only got 2 cards for the PC. A Manning and a Reggie Wayne and a Derek Rogers. Aaron Rodgers. Maybe this is Topaz because it's got the blue all the way up. I don't know. We'll see. I'll have to go back and look through them all. Locker, Steve Johnson. Last pack, guys. Marcus Lattimore, Manti, Giovanni, Eifert. There's an Andrew Luck and a Wes Welker. He'll be back this week to play, guys, by the way, from what I'm hearing. He's practicing. So. Alrighty, a quick recap of the good cards. Andrew Luck, Reggie Wayne, Derek Rogers, and for the Peyton Manning PC, Peyton Manning. And the other cards, Cordell Patterson, Alec Ogletree, and a Monty Ball for them Broncos. Clear cut auto. Beautiful card. So. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Appreciate it. I will get this video uploaded, and you guys know the deal. All 3 of these actually might be taken. You can ask about them, but I've got 3 guys that I trade with all the time that Vikings, Broncos, and my Rams guys. So, yeah, good luck. But we'll see what we can do. All right, thanks, guys. Talk to you later.